Tidying up your home and also saving space is possible from now on. You need a magic touch for your overflown apparels from the wardrobe and for your textiles such as huge quilts, pillows and blankets. Inhale in your living space, make room for your life with Magic Saver Bag. Magic Saver Bag is designed commodiously that anyone can use it easily. Now let's have a look at how this magic comes through. At first, I place my apparels into the vacuum bag, zip the security zipper, and vacuum with a hoover. That's it! Only within 15 seconds your apparels, quilts, blankets, and pillows will take up to 4 times less place. By means of airtight and waterproof feature of Magic Saver Bag, you can store your goods in safe everywhere. Thus, you can save your apparels in the wardrobe, drawer, bed base, and cellar from insect, dust and damp. End up irregularity in your wardrobe during mid-season. Let your summer and winter dresses, suites, and dresses take their places in your closet by using vacuum hanger bag. You can move away your belongings freely with Magic Saver Bag and vacuum storage tote. You have a travel plan and you're indecisive about what to take with you. There are so many things you need to pack. Never discard your belongings. All your apparels are in your luggage with a vacuum travel bag. Your apparels will be as clean as the first day and your home will be more spacious than before. Make room for life with Magic Saver Bag.